All right, so out of everything, doormats, ribbon, all of this stuff, what do you think the most expensive item was? If you guessed the dahlia, you are correct. This was $8.49, okay? Almost everything else was under like $3 or $4. So the grand total is, drum roll please, $257.40 for all of this. And the savings was $702.50. So the big takeaway is if you're looking for fall and Christmas, it is an absolute steal right now. They're everyday things, not great. Some of the prices seem a bit increased. And then the spring things are now 50% off, so they've gone down a little bit. So mine thinks it's my Joann's is expected to close mid to late May. So I'm assuming the closer we get, the better the pricing. But yes, if you have a place to store some of this stuff, I definitely recommend it. And like, how is this creepy? Come on, he's so cute. So anyways, can't wait to hear your guesses.